Hi, what's up? Welcome. So today I decided I was going to sit down and film a video showing you guys how I did my makeup for stage when I used to perform as a drag queen. I haven't done it in a couple of years, but I'm going to paint as if I was getting booked and doing a show like today. So pretend it's show day even though we're all in quarantine, and I'm about to get into that full moment, that full vibe for y'all, just so y'all can see what it takes to become the thing that I become. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and glue down my brows and I'll be right back and we'll jump into this monstrosity together. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna start with moisturizer. Whenever I used to do drag, I didn't care about my skin. When I started, I was like freshly 18 and I was like, oh my god, I'm so pretty. Very convinced that it would never end, and that was incorrect. Okay, and after moisturizer, I'm going in with primer. I'm gonna use the Becca Brighten and Blur Skin Love Primer. I love it so much. So for foundation, I like to use the Kryolan TV paint sticks. They're very great for coverage. So I go in with the shade 3W and just apply that pretty much everywhere. And then for my highlights, and to go ahead and start covering the actual brow itself, I'm going to use the Kryolan TV Paint Stick in TV White. Okay, so now that we are white as sin, we're gonna go in and contour. I cream contour as well. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Fawn. Okay, and I'm going to go in with my foundation shade to cut my cheekbone contour. Alright, so once that's blended out, we're going to go in with our airspun powder and just beat the face. Alright, now we're going to go in and contour. I like to do a very intense contour for drag. I like everything to be very sharp. I used to actually, when I was about 16 to like 16 to 18, I would contour and then add black to it just to make it even deeper, because I wanted that very sharp snatched cheeks. So I'm going to go in with Anastasia Matte Bronzer in the shade Mahogany and just start to contour. I would go in with a lighter shade. I'm going to be using NARS's Paloma. Ooh, I live for the intense contour. I don't know why. I think it is just absolutely the tea for me, sis. So next I'm going to go in and I'm going to carve out that cheek with that airspun powder. Okay, next I'm going to go in and contour this nose. Do you like that nose? Next I'm going to put the white dot at the end of my nose just to freshen her up just a touch. And I'm also going to paint a very thin line down the center of my nose. That is the contour. The contour is done. We are contoured. The contour is on. Now I'm going to move to eyebrows. Before I draw the brows on, I'm going to go back in with some more white just to really just like cover the brow. I'm going to use Clown White by Ben Nye to cover up the rest of this brow. It's very full coverage and it's very thick. She mad thick, yo. Alright, so next I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw on her brows. Alright, now that we have brows on, I'm going to go ahead and start on the eyes. So I'm going to take the same thing I used for my brows and basically just draw my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the same shade that I contoured with. Okay, now that we're this far, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to use Shape Tape by Tarte in the shade Fair. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the black. I'm going to use a small brush and go in on the crease. Oh, yes! I love that! Oh my gosh! We're just going to take that same brown bronzer and blend that. Alright, next we're moving on to eyeliner. I pretty much always did a wing. Okay, now that liner's on and popping, we're gonna move to the bottom of the eyes. I always do the top first, then I go to the bottom. I like the underneath of my eye to be sort of like an inner wing. I don't know what it's called. So I'm gonna go in with the bronzer that I've been using, the same exact one. Okay, next is black shadow. Next, after that, I'm going to go in with the MAC Fascinating Eyeliner just to kind of brighten up the inner corners a bit. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with Drug Lord by Jeffree Star, which is his white liquid lipstick, and I'm going to use that to go over where I just put the white liner pencil, and I'm also going to pop that on my waterline. Ooh, oh, wow. I love makeup so much. Oh, wow. Next, I'm going to go in with the unique Moodstruck Precision Pencil Eyeliner in the shade Perfect. Alright, now that we have lashes and liner on, what do you think? Are you liking that? I love it. I think lashes really tie everything together. Alright, so next I'm going to get into finishing the cheeks, which is basically blush and highlight, and then I'm doing lips, and then we're done. So for blush, I'm just going to take a really peachy blush. Ooh, she's blushing. Ooh. Now we're going to go in with highlight. I'm using the Fenty Glitter Bomb highlighter in the shade How Many Carats. And I'm just going to apply that with my fingers because we're finger painting here. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know about you, but I am liking that. Now, keep in mind, drag makeup is essentially stage makeup. So like, the more the merrier. I know you like that because I am as well. Yeah, it shows texture. No, I don't care. Do a little bit here. Alright, today for lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Moonwalk. Okay, and for lipstick today, I'm going to be using Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Liquid Matte in the shade Quiet Riot. It's this nice red. I love it. Wow, are you liking that? Ooh, ooh, vowel sounds, Alright you guys, well this is the face. This is pretty much it. Gorgeous, huh? Is she stunning? Maybe. Is this real? Yes. Alright you guys, I'm heading out for the day. It's a nice day outside, so I'm gonna go chill. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. If you vibe with this, please subscribe to this channel because why not? You know, what else do we have to do during this quarantine? And share this on your Facebook, your Twitters, your Instagrams, your Tumblrs. Put this in your Discord servers and put this in your Grindr bio so the boys can see it. why not? And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Toodles, bruh.